So, if you are someone you really love okra stew, but you want your okra to be very slimy and also simple way to prepare, then this video is for you. This okra stew is so delicious yet simple to prepare. So, if you watch the video and you like it, please share, comment, and like. If you are new here, this is Queen Team Cooking and Vlog. You are welcome. Share the video to your loved ones. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So these are all the ingredients. You need tomatoes, onion. I have fish, which is dried fish. I have beef here. You can use any protein of your choice. And also I have okra, ginger, garlic, and also scotch bonnet pepper. I have stockfish and also seasoning cubes. Remember, seasoning is always of your choice, guys. Okay, so I will start by seasoning the meat. So I'm using just a cube of my seasoning cubes, 1 cube, and then ginger powder and also garlic and ginger paste, guys. So then I'll go in with some chopped onions so that the meat will be more delicious. So I'll give it a little bit stir, then I'll also go in with a bit of salt. You understand? All right, so after that, then I will just cover it to let it boil. This is actually my signature okra. Anyone in my family knows that I really love my okra, very simple and easy. And I don't really also like okra stew or okra soup that has a lot of meat, or let's say assorted meat in it. I just want it to look like that street kinky okra vibe. And into meyɛ ne simple a ɛyɛ de na m'abusuafoɔ nyinaa nso pɛ. Sɛ woyɛ okra wei sei na anyɛ wo da, mepa atwɔ next time no ama ɛnam na dɔɔso wae. Na mmom, sɛ okra wei ɛyɛ wo da, give me thumbs up. Na wama me comment wase hɔ. Na afei nso so wahyɛ ama w'abusuafoɔ nyinaa. Alright, so now I'll give shout out to all my amazing subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Keep supporting your girl. Thank you once again. And to the new ones, may God bless you. You are welcome to the family, okay? Don't go anywhere. Here I share very simple recipes just like this, okay? So support your girl, share my videos to your loved ones. Okay, it has say me onions no egugum. Ena me baby no kama. Se wo say uja no ano odin bebia. Na se u lo no kakra. Se ne be ya asie nhye. Esan se okra ase ahye de aya na enkoyi ebe yi egum. All right, it has say mixture yi eye scotch bonnet pepper na me show ye no garlic, ginger, ena me de dawa awo no ena ma blending nyina. Nti sia no me ba be washi mu na me de asan aba begum me pacho me nko bebia. Nti ha say me mako no so me bomodia me emu achi be 10 minutes ansa na me de me chop tomatoes na sento sa metwitwa no egum. Esan se e wo se ebia e chika krako enim ansa na wa ade another one. Okay, abusiafo. Nti ha say entos na metwitwa na nkete no na me de egum. Ane utimi di intos eye okra stew emane ye ebeye tron so kama wo de hwe video it or end obi ho se me okra stew no eye tro kama pa enti so obi aka cho se untimi mfa ntos enka okra ho a me pa cho enye nokre. It depend on the way a obi nunum, and it depend your heat level. All right, and so I'm cover it so I cover it and let it simmer for another 10 minutes, like I said, and I'm going to give it a stir. With that, I will go in with my dried fish. So, sa dried fish we me pacho ubenya wo afro shop bia e wo Europe. Omoton no afro shop bia anasa ko Pakistan shops and India shops almost so omu bi wo de yi pa. ye bubu ne nkete ebi ayet say smoked tilapia and omo asheda adibondi no it's very nice nti na wa try. Okay, into I say in suka kregum, and I would like to cover it for another 10 minutes. So me pacho, don't go anywhere. Alright, so after 10 minutes, I will also go in with the meats. Yes, I'm going to add the meats and also let the meats be in there for about 10 to 15 minutes before adding the okra. Yeah. Guys, okra stew or okra soup needs some patience to prepare. So I'm going to also go in with all the stock in it because that contains the goodies, all the spices and everything. So after that, I'll give it a very gentle stir. Then cover it for let it cook well. Okay, yempesi yebeti tomato taste no and nti wo se meko no emuchi na oil settle on top before you go in with the okra. But before that, I'll move forward and prepare or cook the okra. So now I'm going to cook the okra. I'm going in with some ekanwi. Yeah, I love Ghana ekanwu. Very much better for me. Very better than the baking soda. I normally use ekan for me okra. The reason is say a mommy okra no enyi tuntum. Abra bi a mede soda baking soda beye me nkruma no me hu say etene black na afei so ama okro no I te say ne ya blending but se me use Ghana ye kan no a enye ne sa enti so this is the tip number 1 for you in this recipe. Know the differences. Okay. And now as you can see, I added some bitter leaves. It's totally optional, but trust me, very delicious and healthy as well. Alright guys, so now I'm going to also turn the fire down. It doesn't need to be on fire for so long. So I'll move forward and then check the stew. Okay, as you can see guys, I'm also going in with 1 cubes. This is shrimps. Yeah, and I will give it a very gentle stir. So at this point, I know that it's time for me to add the okra. So guys, yes, the stew looks so well. You can even eat this stew with rice just the way it is. But hey, I'm going to add the okra because this is okra stew, a very simple, gentle, street style okra stew. Well, mami bia oton dokron e mango na so ne okra na ya opesa na udidi dokron e patche enu bi na maye eye de ye eye very simple and afin so no eye you break bank to do. You don't need to break your bank to do this recipe or this stew. It's simple. It's me patrol. I am na wayebi. Asa wayebi ya na watag me. Me da ase wo ho. All right. So now, as you can see, I added the okra, and guys, the house smells so good. I can't wait to prepare my banku or samo. Say what's Europe dia samo and a banku because it's simple to prepare. Everything that will make you feel okay after coming from work. You don't need to stress yourself too much in the kitchen. So that is why I always deliver very simple recipes, guys. So follow my YouTube channel and I'll give you nothing but the best. Right, so if you are watching the video till now, thank you so much for doing so. But please, if you are not subscribing to my channel, what are you waiting for, darling? Please subscribe to my channel and have more. Don't forget the bell notification button so that you are going to receive all my videos anytime I upload them on YouTube, guys. Look at this okra. It is absolutely delicious. And at this point, I know that the video is coming to an end. So share the video, give me thumbs up if you like it, and also give me your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching the video till now. I will meet you with another video. So until then, be blessed, stay safe wherever you are. Know that God loves you, your family loves you. I need you more. So be safe wherever you are. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.